Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to ChriskaYoga. Today I will be sharing a 15-minute basic yoga stretch. This is a very simple, easy to follow, gentle stretch. It takes place entirely on the ground and it's great for when you just want to relax and calm down. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my free weekly yoga videos. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. Begin by sitting on the ground, and you can take your yoga blanket and fold it in a rectangle. So place that rectangle on the ground and then sit on the rounded edge of the yoga blanket. Stretch your legs out in front of you and flex both of your feet. Sit up tall on your inhale, and on your exhale, fold forward, holding on to your legs with both of your hands. Breathe deeply and hold here. And slowly come up to a seated position. Bend your right leg, placing the bottom of your right foot on the floor, knee pointed up. Bring your left elbow to your right knee, your right arm behind you. Take an inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist the upper body to the right, keeping your left foot flexed. Toes are pointed up. With each inhale that you take here, lengthen the spine further, and with each exhale, twist a little bit deeper, being very gentle with yourself. Slowly unwind from your twist. Take that knee and turn it out, placing the bottom of your right foot on the inner thigh of the left leg. Sit up tall on your inhale, exhale, forward fold. Have your hands on either side of your left leg, looking down. Keep length in your spine and hold here. And slowly come up to a seated position. Straighten the right leg, bend the left leg, knee up. Lengthen the right arm up and then bring the right elbow to the left knee, left arm behind you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist the upper body to the left. Keep your right foot flexed and the toes pointed upward. Keep length in your spine and continue to deepen your twist just a bit with each exhale that you take. Slowly unwind from your twist. Turn that leg out and place the bottom of your left foot on your right inner thigh. Exhale, forward fold, hands on the ground. Flex that right foot, keep length in your spine, looking down, and hold here. Slowly come up to a seated position, and then from here, bend your right leg, bring your feet to meet each other. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold for bound angle pose. For a deeper hip stretch, place your elbows on your knees and gently press them down as you fold forward. Hold here, breathing deeply through your nose. And slowly come up to a seated position. And then from here, you're going to stretch your legs out to the side. Make sure you have enough room so your legs can be straight and your feet are flexed. Toes and knees are pointed up towards the ceiling. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward in your extended angle pose. Reach your arms forward as much as you can. Keep length in your spine and hold here. Remain in your forward fold and just walk your torso over to the left, framing your left leg with both of your hands looking towards the leg. Remain even on your hips on the ground, flexing your feet. Hold here. From here, keep the left arm on the left leg. Reach your right arm up and over on the diagonal, stretching the right side of your torso. Keep that right hip bone or the right sits bone on the floor so your hips are still even. Hold here for a moment, looking up, breathing deeply. And then from here, come to the other side, straight into our tilt, reaching the left arm up and over on the diagonal, stretching the torso, keeping that left hip firmly on the ground so your hips are even. Continue to flex both of your feet. Look up and breathe. From here, turn your torso to the right leg. Have your hands on either side of the leg, looking down. Breathe here. Walk your torso back to the center and then come up to a upright seated position. From here, you can set your blanket off to the side, bringing your legs in towards each other. And then when you're ready, come to lying on your back and bend both of your legs. Take your right ankle, cross it over the left thigh, and then hold on to the left hamstrings with your hands, flexing your feet. Hold here for thread the needle, also known as supine pigeon pose, breathing deeply into your stretch and hold. Release your hands from your leg, uncross your ankle, and switch sides. Cross the left ankle over the right thigh. Hold onto the right hamstrings with your hands, flexing your feet. Hug your legs in. Feel a stretch in the outer thigh on the left side. Hold here, breathing through the nose. Release your hands from your leg, uncross your ankle, and from here, hug both legs in towards your chest, holding onto your shins, flexing your feet. Relax here. Take both of your legs, bring them over to the left side of your body, twisting your upper body to the right. You can reach the right arm out or bend it up in a cactus shape for a bit of a chest opening. Use your other hand to hold your legs over to the left side. Once you're settled, breathe deeply and hold. Lift your legs back up to center and switch sides. Bring both of your legs over to the right side of your body on the ground. You can use your right arm to help them stay over. Reach your left arm out to the left or bend it in a cactus shape for a chest opening. Hold your stretch here, breathing deeply. Come back to the center and we'll get ready to take our final pose, Shavasana. Stretch both of your legs out, separate them apart, relax them completely. Place your hands down by your sides, turn your palms up towards the ceiling, close your eyes, relax your body with an exhale. Continue to focus on your inhales and your exhales as much as you can. Refocus as many times as you need and remain here. Bring some gentle motion, gentle movement into your limbs and your hands and your feet. And when you're ready, bend both of your legs. Roll to the right side, resting there with your arm under your head. Use your hands to help you come up to a seated position. Cross your shins, flex your feet under your knees. Bring your hands to your legs. Sit up tall, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment letting me know how it went for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for free weekly yoga videos from me. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time.